Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI. This is something that everyone needs, but no one tells you. This is a fabric shaver, and I have been so pleased with the results. I got this fuzzies on this shirt, and I used this and they came right off. I was amazed how easy it was to use. Very pleased. We even had peeling on our sofa, and I really liked our sofa, so I was so disappointed. But I used this shaver on it, and voila, the little fuzzies came off. And to be honest, it was like so exciting to see. It was very gratifying to see those fuzzies just disappear, and I've been looking for ways to use this shaver now. I've been so pleased with it. It's super easy. It is rechargeable, so no batteries are needed, but I found that the battery lasts a really long time. And especially for sweaters that get those fuzzies and wear marks, you don't have to throw them away. You just need to buy this shaver and rejuvenate your clothes. So if you don't have a fabric shaver, definitely check this one up by GAIATOP, and I think you'll be really pleased as well. And that's my point of view.